You ready, Scout? Ready to give it a try? How's it going, guys? With the melt started, spring camping season is just around the corner, and I got a new member to the team. Say hi, Scout, a 7-month-old border collie who's in training for her first trip in season. In preparation for backcountry camping, we're going to practice a few scenarios. Scenario number 1, I'd like her to get familiar with the sound of a bear horn, just in case. So I have one of the small bear horns that we're going to test out today. It is 40 grams. Scout, get your camera. Get it. See if we get a better look at this one. Bring it, Scout. Good job, Scout. That's a good job. Hold it. Good job. So we have a small bear horn, net weight 40 grams. We're going to test it out and see how Scout does. Scenario number 1, we're going to stand a little bit further back just so she doesn't get too startled. And then we're going to gradually move closer and closer and see how she does. She's never heard the horn before, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of reaction she has. Her first 8 weeks were spent on a Mennonite farm, so she never really heard many outside noises. The first time she heard a car, I think, was when I came to pick her up. She was extremely skittish for many loud noises, but we put in some practice all around town to try and get her used to different places and sounds. This will be a good test. A realistic situation is that when you have a dog camping, they could wander around in the woods at your campsite when they're off leash, and when they come back, the bear might be following them in tow. So we're going to try and get her associated with the bear horn, so she's not afraid and she's not going to run away as well. We'll see how it goes. This isn't a to-do or what not to do video about bear encounters. This is strictly just to prepare Scout for when we go camping in the backcountry. There's plenty other videos out there to give you an idea of what and what not to do when you encounter a bear. Check them out. You ready, Scout? Ready to give it a try? Let's go. The final one, I'm going to have Scout stay, and then I'm going to call her to come. When she comes, I'm going to step forward, and then I'm going to sound the horn a little bit. She has a pretty good recall right now, and I don't want her to associate the loud noise with the recall, so she'll stop coming. Ready? Good. Good job, Scout. Bring it. Bring it. Over here. Ready? Look at me. Scout, sit. Hey, sit. Hey, look at me. Sit. Stay. Go get it. Easy! Get it. Good job. Get it. All right, Scout. Get it. Free. That's a good job, Scout. Bring it. Get it. Bring it. Good job. That's a good dog, Scout. Good dog. All right. Ready, Scout? Sit. Look at me. Sit. Stay. Get it. Go come. Yes. Good job, Scout. Good job. That's a good dog. Get it. Good job, Scout. Bring it. Bring it, Scout. Bring it. All right. That's a good dog, Scout. Good job, Scout. All right. Good job. Good job. Nice catch. Realistically, in this situation, if a dog comes running back with a bear, the best thing you want to use is your bear spray. But we just want to see how she does with this horn first. And then I have an expired bear spray that I'm going to give it a try. Go come. Go come. Good job, Scout. Come on, Scout. Come on, Scout. Good job. Good job. Sit. Stay. Good job. Go come. Go come. That's a good job, Scout. Good job. Good job. Good. Sit. Sit. Good job. That's a good dog. Take it, Scout. Good job. Surprisingly, she did way better than expected. I thought she was going to be startled for sure. She did pretty good. Good job, Scout. Good job, yeah. So before using this, make sure the wind is not blowing in your direction. It says to position yourself. The best opportunity to use it is 4 meters, so we'll give that a try, and it says to use short spray bursts of 2 to 3 seconds. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. Ready? Surprisingly, 4 meters, 13 feet isn't that far away. And if that bear is that close, you have to have that canister readily accessible, and you have to know how to use it. So this was a good test in case anything should arise. That just about does it for Scout and I. Scout, give me a drink. Get it. Get it, Scout. Get it, Scout. Get it. Bring it. Bring it, Scout. Bring it. Bring it. Good job. Good job. Thanks, Scout. Sit. Sit. Good job. Good job, Scout. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I hope everyone has started planning their 2021 trips, because it looks like it's going to be a busy season. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'm Jay, that's Scout. Remind you to get outside and explore. See you next time. Take it. Good job, Scout. Good job. Good job, Scout. That's a good dog, Scout.